Hello guys, I'm back with my Aprilia SR50 Factory project. So, as you can see, I cleaned it up a little bit. I used some WD-40 and it shines like new. Look at the paint. I removed the stickers from the dealership. I have to polish it a little bit. As you can see, before I say this, I'm going to say something about the story of this scooter. The woman I bought it from got it from her grandpa after he died. And her grandpa was the first owner of this scooter, so he bought it new at the dealership. And after his death, it stood for 15 years in a garage. And everything is, the story is plausible, because if you take a look at the tires, they look like new. The exhaust system looks like new. I mean, I don't know the mileage on this Aprilia. I have my battery with me, and I think it doesn't have more than 2,000 kilometers approximately. If you take a look at this here, first let's take a look at the exhaust pipe under the cylinder. Okay, it looks very good. No rust at all over here, only on this part. That means it stood a very long time in one place and the water could flow down and make it rust. So I got my rust remover and everything. This is going to be done later. One sign that it wasn't, that it hasn't been in anyone's hands before, you can see that these clamps are original Aprilia clamps. This here is an original green Aprilia sealant on the screw. When you take a look at the tire here, you can still see this mark in the middle, which means that the tire is very new. You can see the fly poop. I just really roughly cleaned it with WD-40. All the buttons and everything looks like new. Feels like new. Okay. And what else? Here. Okay. What I've seen, the fuel pump and everything inside also looks like new. No wear, no tear, no rust, no nothing. And I thought the first thing I'm gonna do is to release the old fuel. Here I got my trusty carpet to work on, to sit on. To release the old fuel out of the scooter. I'm honest, this is the first time I'm working on this model, so I don't really know which screws I have to remove to get to the fuel tank as fast as possible without unnecessarily remove other screws. So I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna have to remove this one, and some screws under the seat. I can see some screws over here and there. Maybe, I don't know, is this one part? No, yeah, okay. So I'm gonna have to remove this side. Yeah. Good. So let's get to work. So I opened the seat, and I forgot to show you the original Aprilia tool set. And I think I'm gonna have to get rid of these screws. I just want to release all the fuel, the old fuel. Let me smell it. Check it out. Okay, okay. Oh, 15-year-old fuel. That's not good. Okay, I got my trusty toolbox, and yeah, let's do this. Okay, I thought there's going to be an advantage on this model. It's a newer model than the usual SR50 ditechs I work on. I thought it's going to be easy to just remove this one, this screw, this screw, this screw, and to take only the left panel off. But there is a screw. You see it? Yeah, this one. You see? Could try to zoom in on it. The screw holding the headlight with the left and the right panel. So I don't know how I'm going to do this without destroying anything. Okay, it's almost off. I can see the fuel line. I can see the fuel pump, but I cannot take it off because the screw holds it in place. Okay, I'm gonna think about it and solve the problem. Okay, I found the way out to remove only this part without removing the entire panel. You just have to, it's mounted like this, You just have to lift it up like this, up, and move this panel towards you. It's gonna get free, and you don't have to take off this screw. Now I can see the fuel pump. I can see the fuel line, and I have access to the fuel pump and the fuel line. Okay, as you can see, it's all original. It's the original dirt over here on the frame, and the fuel pump has never been touched before. I'm not sure if it still works after sitting 15 years with the entire old fuel inside. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get nasty. Is this original Aprilia, this cable tie? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna remove this cable tie so I can move the pump, disconnect this clamp, and release the old fuel. Then I'm gonna remove the spark plug. Where is this baby? Over here. Remove the spark plug. Spray some WD-40 inside the cylinder. And then I'm gonna plug in the battery, and yeah, I'm very curious about the mileage of this scooter. Yeah, here are all the screws. I always try to put everything in place so you can find everything later when you put everything back together. And here I got I put this part over here to my Honda. Over here. Okay. Now let's disconnect the clamp and the cable tie. So I removed the old clamp. It's over here. And now let's get the old fuel out of the tank and out of the system. Hope it's gonna work. Doing it with two hands. Here goes nothing. Wow. Okay. Okay. This was all. Looks like my beer. Definitely not my beer. Well, I got fresh fuel with me. So let's, well, I'm gonna say let's fill it up. Fill it up, plug in the battery, and let it rip. Come on. What could go wrong? Open the canister. Let's get the new fuel in there. Damn it. Fresh fuel from the racing track. I think 2 or 3 liters should be enough. Oh, okay. Now let's take care of the spark plug. I'm gonna try to film it while I do it. I'm not gonna sure it's gonna work. Here you are. Okay, I don't know if you can see something. I cannot see anything myself. Oh my god. Okay, got it. I'm very curious how the spark plug looks like. Oh, come on. Get right out of here. Get right out of here, I'm saying. Okay, I got it out. Well, it's kind of black, but I think it's okay. Yeah, let's clean it and take a look what's going to happen. So I cleaned the spark plug with my trusty cable brush, and it looks like new. Let's install it back in, and then let's plug in the battery and check the mileage on this baby. The spark plug is back in. I didn't want to film it, nothing special. Let's now take the battery, and it's a smaller one from the old SR50, but I think it should be okay. To test it, the cables are long enough so I can place it over here, and then the big moment. There's a small fun fact. This old fuel compared with the color of my beer. Okay, never mind. Okay, big moment has come. Let's drink some beer first. Okay, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know the mileage. I don't know anything about the scooter. Whew. What's this? Battery's plugged in. Nice. Do I have to push any button? I don't know. Well, this is interesting. Let's check the fuse. fuse is okay. Once again, let's check the battery plus minus. It's okay. This is very interesting. What is this? I can see a loose cable from here, but I don't know if it's got anything to do with this entire thing. I found something. There was a cable going from the fuse to the minus pole, and I think I forgot this one. Let's put it back. So the cable is plugged in properly, and you can see this blinking light. Ooh, I'm nervous about the mileage and everything. Let's turn the key. The pump is pumping. Wow, take a look at this. APRILIA, come on. No way! No way! 500 kilometer had er nog drauf. 500 kilometer. 500 full kilometers! No way! Guck mal. 504 Kilometer. Gesamtfahrleistung.
Tatsächlich, ja. Das ist ja gar nicht so.
Holy shit! Okay, now let's start it. Okay, I'm gonna have to prime the pump, I think, a few times. Once again. Nice! 500 kilometers! It's nothing. Oh, baby! I like it. I love it. Fuel pump works fine. Wheel is spinning. Wow, look at the RPM. Woohoo! Nice. And smooth, baby. Well, that's it for today. Check it out. Lights, okay. Oh, nice. Look at this one here. Wow. The blinkers, let's check out the blinkers. Left. Blinkers? No. No, it's not blinkers, it's mode or something. This is the blinkers. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, never mind. Nice. Look at the blinkers. They're working. I like it like that, baby. Okay, how do you go back? Something. Einstellungen. Language. Let's set it in English. Italiano. English. Nice. Exit. Wow. Woohoo! Okay, that's all for today. See you next time with the next video when I ride this baby.